Good morning, students. This is your SST subject, and you know that we are discussing chapter number 12 National Leaders. Today's topic is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Here is picture of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and today we are going to read this paragraph. Okay, see. Sardar Vallabhbhai Jawaharlal Patel, better known as Sardar Patel, was a freedom fighter who played an important role in uniting different kingdoms under the nation India. He was the first deputy prime minister of India. Yeah, आपने सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल का नाम सुना होगा. Everyone of you student, have you heard the name of सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल? Yes, सुना होगा आपने, ज़रूर सुना होगा. सो वल्लभ भाई जावर भाई पटेल, ओके, इनका नाम, हिज नेम वॉज वल्लभ भाई जावर भाई पटेल एंड ही इज़ बेटर नोन एज सरदार पटेल. सरदार वॉज अ निक नेम गिवन बाय गांधी जी टू हिम. सरदार जो था इनका निक नेम था, ये निक नेम इन्हें गांधी जी ने दिया था. सो हिज ओन मीन इनका जो एक्चुअल नाम था was वल्लभ भाई जावर भाई पटेल. ओके, बट ही इज़ बेटर नोन एज सरदार पटेल. ठीक है, शायद आप इनके असली नाम को नहीं जानते होंगे, लेकिन आप इन्हें सरदार पटेल के नाम से ज़रूर जानते होंगे, पहचानते होंगे. सो his nickname was Sardar, but his actual name was वल्लभ भाई जावर भाई पटेल. ओके, he was a freedom fighter. ये एक स्वतंत्रता सेनानी थे who played an important role in uniting different kingdoms under the nation. इन्होंने भारत के बहुत सारे राज्यों को एक साथ मिलाया था, uniting the different kingdom under the nation India. So he was the first deputy prime minister of India. ये भारत के पहले उप प्रधानमंत्री थे. ओके, सरदार Patel was born on October 31st, 1875 in Nadiad. Okay, he was born on October 31st in year 1875 in Nadiad, and Nadiad in the present time this place is in Gujarat. Okay, after his early education, he went to study law in England. After getting his primary and early education, he went to England for his higher education and he wanted to study law. Okay, after returning to India, when he came back from England, he started his practice as a barrister in Ahmedabad. Okay, when he came back from England after getting his degree in law, he started his practice as a barrister in Ahmedabad. Okay, he led successful movements. He organized so many movements. He organized the peasant of Khera, बरसौद एंड बरदौली मूवमेंट. ओके, इन्होंने बहुत सारे मूवमेंट्स को ऑर्गेनाइज कराया था, जिसमें से एक मूवमेंट था खेड़ा का, बरसात एंड बरदौली. ओके, व्हेन ही केम in contact with Gandhi ji, he gave up his professions and joined the freedom struggle. Okay, when he went for his study, when he went in England, he was very much influenced by the Britishers. So वहाँ के लोगों के रहन सहन, हाव भाव और बात करने की शैली से he was very much influenced. So he started do all the things what the Britishers were doing, like wearing the coat, pant, tie and talking in English. Because he was very much influenced by them. But when he joined Gandhi ji, when he came in the contact with Gandhi ji, he gave up all his thing, okay, his professions and joined the freedom struggle. इन्होंने यहाँ तक अपने प्रोफेशंस को, जो बैरिस्टर की प्रैक्टिस करते थे, उन्होंने इसे त्याग दिया. एंड ही गेव अप ऑल द things what he was adopted from the Britishers, like wearing the coat, pant and talking English, and he joined Gandhi ji in his freedom fight. Okay, he was a firm supporter of Gandhi ji. Okay, he believed in Gandhi ji. He was very much influenced by Gandhi ji, so he assisted Gandhi ji in the non-cooperation movement. the civil disobedience movement and the Quit India movement, because he was very much influenced by Gandhiji. So he joined Gandhiji in his movements. But the movements Gandhiji was started like that, the non-cooperation movement, the disobedience movement and the Quit India movement. इन सभी movements में, इन सभी आंदोलनों में सरदार पटेल ने गांधी जी को सहयोग दिया, उन्होंने उनके साथ उनको ज्वाइन किया, बिकॉज ही वॉज वेरी मच इन्फ्लुएंस बाई गांधी जी. After India gained independence, he became the deputy prime minister and the home minister. Okay, when India got freedom in the year 1947, then he became the deputy prime minister of India as well the home minister. Okay, he was because of him it was because of him that the princely state were united into the Indian Union. He was the man who joined each and every state in India. After getting the independence, so many state was not वो एक साथ विलय नहीं करना चाहते थे, एक साथ नहीं आना चाहते थे भारत में. सो ही वॉज द मैन जिन्होंने इस भारत को, बिखरे हुए भारत को एक साथ इकट्ठा किया. एंड दैट्स वाई ही गॉट द निक नेम आयरन मैन ऑफ इंडिया, क्योंकि इन्होंने इस मोमेंट में ऐसे कुछ अपने अपने अनुभव और अपनी चालाकी से ऐसा काम किया कि बिना किसी को कष्ट पहुंचाए, बिना किसी की हत्या हुई, बिना किसी खून का एक बूंद गिरे, इन्होंने ऐसा मूवमेंट चलाया है कि जो राज्य भारत में मिलना नहीं चाहते थे वो अपने आप इसमें आ गए. He was a true son of the soil of India. वो भारत के एक सच्चे सपूत थे. He is also known as the Iron Man of India, and for that, okay, he got the nickname Iron Man of India. He died on December 15, 1950 at Bombay. Earlier it was Bombay and now it is Mumbai. Okay, so इनकी डेथ 15 दिसंबर को 1950 में मुंबई में हुई. Okay, so he is a Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. And his full name was Vallabhbhai Jawaharlal Patel, and he got the nickname Sardar and Iron Man. Okay, so everyone, you should revise this, you should read it again, and you should just find out more about the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Okay.